just keeping our radio listeners in mind. Opening address yesterday, Pope Leo told the cardinals that he is here to listen. He did not directly take part in the discussions that were held in the afternoon at the consistory in the Paul VI Hall, but he was present and then listened actively to the final presentations of 9 of the 20 round tables and groups that were set up, and he heard a brief summary of their work that was carried out through the day. In his speech yesterday afternoon, Pope Leo said that the goal was not to arrive at a text, a final text, but to continue a conversation that, quote, will help me in serving the mission of the entire Church. The Pope acknowledged that the College of Cardinals is a very diverse group, enriched by a wide range of backgrounds, cultures, ecclesial and social traditions, formative and academic paths, pastoral experiences, as well as personal characteristics and traits. We see the cardinals processing in and taking their places. Pope Leo said that the cardinals are called to get to know one another and to dialogue together and to learn to listen and dialogue with each other so that they may work together in serving the Church. I hope, he said, that we can grow in communion and thus offer a model of collegiality. We recall that the cardinals themselves chose the theme of synodality, something they will work together and are expressing in their mission, their ministry of meeting together, even though they had to take time from their busy schedules, as the Pope acknowledged, so that they could be here from the various dioceses spread throughout the world and the particular churches that they lead. see the Holy Father, Pope Leo, at the end of the procession, and he's making his way here to the altar of the chair, and will venerate it before beginning this liturgy with the liturgical greeting and giving the cardinals his indications and spiritual guidance for their work together.
Venite